In this tutorial, I'll guide you on playing Lethal Company with a controller. It's a straightforward process, so be sure to follow along, whether you have a PlayStation, Xbox, or a generic controller like the one I'm using. This method works seamlessly on Steam. Steam's feature, Steam Input, automatically configures controllers for various games, including Lethal Company. Start by closing the game, connect your controller to your PC either wired or wirelessly, and look for the gamepad icon on the right side of the game in your Steam library. Click the cogwheel, access the properties, and then under controller settings, ensure Steam Input is enabled for all controllers. This automatically sets up the controller, ensuring all buttons and joysticks function correctly. You can customize settings in the controller configurator, adjusting layouts to your preference. While you may see some incorrect glyphs in-game due to Steam Input, it doesn't impact functionality. The key is to ensure your controller is detected and works seamlessly with Lethal Company.